Do you want to create a stunning painting? Well, the secret is all in the tools you use. And today I'm going to show you why Variety Canvas is your go-to choice for any masterpiece. Now let's dive in and create some magic. We are starting with a gradient sky using Prussian blue with a touch of white, purple and black to create the perfect shade. And the sunset effect, yellow and orange with a little bit of white, it's going to pop really beautiful. Next up, the ground, we are using sap green and a bit of black to create the rich earthiness. It's all coming together. And now it's time to add the clouds. Take the black shade we used for the sky, mix it and make it a little darker, and grab a small round brush to give the clouds that soft and fluffy effect. Make it textured. Back to the ground, let's add some grass with random strokes using a mix of lemon yellow and chrome yellow into the sap green. You will love the texture. Keep on the process. Feeling good? We are almost there. It's time to add the lilies, for which let's mark some circles, then add white petals to create the perfect lily. You can see how beautiful the floral pop is. But hold on, let's enhance the sky a bit more. Add some white and a bit of lemon yellow to brighten things up, just like the sun is kissing the sky. And just like that, a super simple yet gorgeous painting on Variety Canvas looks amazing, doesn't it? Don't forget to subscribe for more art tutorials. Also, check out our Instagram for regular giveaways and art contests, where you can win awesome art products from Variety Canvas completely free. Stay creative and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.